welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation. And first of all, I would like to thank you all of you because my last video that I uploaded, that was top 10 things to do on Independence Day in quarantine / lockdown / at home, has crossed 600 plus views. It must be a very small number for audience, of course, but for me as a creator, as I'm working so hard, my maximum views were up to 80 to 90 only. But my recent video has gone up to 600 plus views, as I told earlier, and it's a big success for my channel because I have gained 76 subscribers and total views on my channel are 1161. You can see that in the about section. Also, may this video go up to 1000 views, and I want to thank all of the people again who have viewed the video and responded and also liked it a lot. So yes, I will be grateful to all of you. So let's start with today's video. So the ingredients there will be for this modak will be 4 Oreos, of course. That is our main ingredient, and then we will take coconut powder. It is optional. We will take fresh cream. You can take it out at your home also, or you can buy it from market. It is usually available. Fresh cream enhance the taste. Then after that we will open the biscuits of only 2 packets. Please remember, we are measuring the thing from 2 packets. We will take it out and shed off the cream between the Oreo into a different bowl, and we will save it for later. If you are using knife, that is much easier, but I do not recommend for any child to do that because it can be highly dangerous. If you are using knife and you are underage, you must do it under an adult supervision. So we have taken out the cream and biscuit into different bowls and plates. Now we will put this hard part of the Oreo biscuit inside the mixer grinder, and we will not churn it like a paste. We will only churn it for just a smooth powder. So as you can see, I'm breaking down it into very small pieces inside the mixer grinder. And if you found my voice a little bit shaky, I'm really sorry because my mic is broken yesterday only. So here you can see we have created a smooth powder of Oreo. It is not like a paste, it is solid only. So we will take it out on a plate, or you can say in a bowl, whatever it is preferable. After that we will take the fresh cream inside a bowl. So if you have a tablespoon, you can use that, but here I am taking out 5 spoons of normal home spoon, 5 spoons, and tablespoon measure will be in the description box because I can't remember it right now. So you can see we have to just put this cream inside the Oreo crunch powder, and then we will mix it. First of all, we will mix it partially, and then with our hands we will make a soft dough of it. It should be very soft because the modak, when we will eat it, shouldn't be hard. So as you can see, so the next part to do is we will mix the coconut powder with the Oreo cream, and it is on your choice how much to put the coconut powder. Okay, it is totally on your choice. Like I have put only 1 home spoon and some like a 1 whisk of coconut powder, and mix it with the Oreo cream. You can also use hand or spoon, whatever it is preferable. So now we will take the dough, we will make it in a circle. Like when we do this for making roti, we will apply oil to it, and as you can see in the video that how we are pressing the thumb in between, and with all the 4 fingers we are just making a shape of a bowl. Then we will take a small pile of Oreo cream and coconut powder mixture and fill it inside the bowl. After that, as you can see, we are just closing the Oreo mold so that it should not be spotted or be leaking if you apply. Now we will put some coconut powder in between. It is also known as desiccated coconut. It's optional, you can also use powdered sugar, but there is a different taste of coconut powder that is totally awesome. Now I'm going to make a plus. And we will be sprinkling off some above the modaks. I'm thinking that unfortunately it has not came out nicely, so I will be transforming it a little bit. And yes, I have taken out all the coconut powder from between and coated the modaks with the coconut powder. That was really a bad thing to do. You can skip that, and now our modak is being ready to eat. So I hope you like the recipe. Also, you can skip that part when I put the coconut powder in between the modaks. Instead of that, you can take a tree strainer or tea sieve. I don't know the exact name, but it actually sounds like this only. There's in Hindi we call it a chai channi. Actually, that tea strainer or tea sieve, it is hold like this, and we pour the tea in inside the little sieve net, I think so, and the final product of tea is then drained into the cup. So yeah, that tea sieve or tea strainer, you can take it and put some coconut powder and just sprinkle them above the modak. It will look very nice, and also it tastes amazing. It just outcome taste of Oreo only, but it is like shape and decoration, and it is very nice taste also of that. When you will eat it, it will look also and taste also fabulous. So yeah, this was the recipe for this Ganesh Chaturthi special, and I thank you all again for my last video performance. Like views, you have given me a lot. Also the watch time has also increased, so I wanted to thank you all again. So yes, I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.